When people talk about GoHighLevel, one of the first thing that comes up in automation. And in this time, automation is not just a fancy extra thing. It's the difference between spending all day chasing lead and actually running a business that works for you, even while you sleep. So in this video, let's break down how GoHighLevel takes you from capturing a lead all the way to closing the deal. Now, without you having to manually pushing every button along, it will happen. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make online tools simple for your business and help you to save time while growing faster. And if that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe and check the link in the description below for special deals and extended free trial. Alright, let's start with the very beginning of the journey. And if you use the official website for the free trial, you can get the 14 days free trial, but by using the link in the description, you will get the 30 days free trial. So check the link for the extended free trial. Alright, so let's start at the very beginning of the journey, capturing a lead. With GoHighLevel, you can build the landing page, funnel, or even just embed the forms on your website. When a visitor drops their information, maybe their name, email, or phone number, that data follows right into the system. No copy pasting, no spreadsheet or manual work, it's automatic. And the moment that lead enters your system, GoHighLevel can trigger a whole sequence of action. Now here's where things get interesting. Instead of manually sending a welcome email or remembering to follow up, GoHighLevel does it instantly. You can set it up so the lead gets a text message by saying the thank you, or maybe an email with your free guide, or maybe even a voicemail drop if you really want to stand out. So the whole idea is to engage the lead right away while they are still interested. From here, automation keeps the momentum going. Let's say the lead does not reply, no problem. You can set a workflow that reminds them 2 days later and then again a week later, and obviously with a different message. So you don't have to sit there thinking, oh, did I follow up with the person? So this system handles it for you, and it's like a digital assistant that never forgets. But what if the lead does reply? Well, GoHighLevel can automatically update their status in your pipeline. It can move them from new lead to the qualified and even notify you or your sales team to jump in at the right time. You can also tag leads based on their action, like if they clicked on a link, booked a call, or ignored this message, or this kind of thing. So each of those actions can trigger a different responses. So instead of treating every lead the same, you are actually creating a personal journey for each one. And here is the best part, this automation does not stop the nurturing. When it's time to close the deal, GoHighLevel help you to schedule the appointment and send the reminder so people don't forget, and even process the payments right inside the platform. That means from the very first moment you capture someone's information all the way to them becoming a paying customer, the system is guiding them step by step with you, just overseeing the process. Now, does this mean you never have to talk to your lead again? Of course not. But what it does mean is you spend your time only on the conversation that actually matter. Instead of chasing cold emails, the cold lead, you are focusing on the one who are ready to buy, because the automation has already warmed them up for you. So bottom line is GoHighLevel automation turns the messy process of lead capture, following up, nurturing, and closing into a smooth system that runs almost on autopilot. It saves you hours, makes sure no leads slip through the cracks, and help you to close deal faster without burning out. And if you want to try yourself, check the link in the description or the pin comment to get a free trial and see GoHighLevel automation can change the way you run your business or not. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.